Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 10 Best Flip Phones, updated 2020. Premium pick. LG Shine CU720. See on Amazon. Dimensions 3.93 x 1.99 x 0.59, Jitterbug Flip. See on Amazon. Dimensions 4.3 x 2.2 x 0.7, screen size 1.44, editor's choice. LG NV Touch VX11000. See on Amazon. Motorola Razr V3. See on Amazon. Dimensions 3.86 x 2.09 x 0.54, best value. LG NV2. See on Amazon.
Take our lead.
While many are eagerly awaiting the official reveal of Apple's iPhone 12, YouTube channel #iOS News has debuted a flip iPhone concept. The iPhone Flip, as #iOS News calls it, boasts a full display when the phone is completely open and a smaller display on one half of the back.
Take our lead.
Motorola Razr 5G. Another existing flip phone getting a 5G update. The Motorola Razr 5G offers a few improvements over the original Razr, with an improved processor, more memory and storage, and better cameras.
Let's help you make your mark.
Unfortunately, flip phones are harder to come by these days, since most manufacturers are no longer producing them. We selected plenty of models that offer strong battery life and necessary features like a memory card slot and Bluetooth.
Make your mark, take our lead.
iPhone Flip design, what will it look like? According to John Prosser, Apple has tested two different kinds of iPhone Flip, a fold-out hybrid tablet, similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and a clamshell flip phone design akin to the Galaxy Z Flip range.
Take our lead.
The best flip phones available now. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. The best flip phone comes from Samsung. Nokia 2720 Flip. The best flip phone for minimalists looking to declutter. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. Motorola Razr 5G. TT Phone Lunar TT750. Microsoft Surface Duo.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.